Oop. Alright guys, finally got a chance to do this review on the Schrade multi-tool. Let me zoom in a little bit here so I'm not so zoomed out. I do have some artificial light helping in with this. So I promised this would be the next video, and I didn't keep my promise and posted a video of our Christmas tree and realized I made a mistake. Some of you might have already watched it. It looks like it's been 6 views on it, but I took it right back off about an hour after I uploaded it and realized I didn't keep my promise. So that video will be going back up as soon as after this one, along with hopefully a whole bunch of other videos. It might be Christmas. You might be watching this Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to you. Happy Hanukkah. I don't know when I'm going to get to upload this, but let's get on to the review. Now, these used to have let's see. These used to have little pieces right here, little black pieces, and every time I went down, it made that plasticky, squeaking type noise. So I didn't like that, so I went ahead and just broke those off. Let me see if I can get a multi-tool that looks like it. Try to walk around the camera. Just zoom in so you guys can see the multi-tool. How's that? Let's see what's in here. Yep, okay. Now I'm going to bring out the Coleman one, which is close to it. This Coleman one, I think they went out of business. Oh, come on. However, it is not on the Coleman one. But it had the same, had these right here. And the Schrade, when I open it up, you see they have the very similar design. Practically the same. So, except the multi-tools are a little bit different. Yeah. These tools are on the ends. Well, yeah, they're the same. I think they're the same style. But it had these little plastic type pieces on here, and I just broke them off on the other one. So, this one really doesn't even matter. But so I really like this multi-tool overall. If you're not doing anything real big, this would be perfect. I'll go ahead and show you all the little tools. I haven't looked price range, but I'll show you all the little tools in here. Got your little flathead. Got your can opener. Little can opener. Got your pick. Looks like. Got your fingernail file, which I didn't use hardly any of that. I might use a screwdriver once or twice. Got your serration, little mini saw, your small, tiny Phillips, another small screwdriver, the bottle opener, and then your blade. One thing, this was a great multi-tool. I don't know if it was mine in particular, but every time I do this, that comes open a little bit. And I tried tightening it up, but it didn't tighten. It just came right back loose again. And if I tighten it too tight, it wouldn't work. So, but other than that, this multi-tool worked perfectly. It's got this little, let's see if it'll adjust for you. Got that little spring, so it comes back open. I like that on a multi-tool. It's just Schrade tough. I mean, I use this multi-tool. Even if I had screwdrivers around the house, I still tried to use this multi-tool so I could review it. I did throw it around a lot. I'm not afraid to throw my things around. Something like this, I'm not afraid to drop it on the ground. I'm not afraid to throw it with some change. I'm not afraid to do hardly any of that stuff. You know, I want to be able to beat the, you know what, out of any knife, multi-tool, and be able to use it and work good. So, overall, compactness, so I can do this on camera, very good. I like it. I like the tools being on the outside, very helpful, except for this. But I don't have a tape measure or anything with me to measure it. I guess I got a yardstick I can get to give you the exact dimensions. Actually, I think I got a digital caliper. Give me just a minute. Alright. I got my digital caliper type thing here. Give you the blade, all that goodies on. 0. Set for 0. You guys can see that. The width of the multi-tool is 0.52 inches. The length of the multi-tool from end piece to end piece is 2.2 inches, or roughly 2 inches. The blade on here, let's see, it's got a blade here. Oh. So make sure this is 0. That ain't 0. Why is that not 0? Alright, let's do this again. Width 0.53. Length overall 2.64. And then I think the batteries are running low on this. I might have to change the battery on it. It's yeah, I'm gonna change the battery on it. See if I can do that right here real quick. I got a second battery here. Sorry for the, I thought it was gonna work good for me. Oh, look at that. Now you guys can see it. Alright, let's try this again. Let's try the blade width. 0.04 inches. With this 0.53, and the length closed is 0.26, roughly ½ inch. Come on. Yep. Width of the plier to middle, 0.16 inches. I don't know if you care about all these dimensions, but I like to give them. And then from top to bottom, from the end of the multi-tool to the open to the end of that is 4.1 inches. Put that away. Let's get another battery for that. I don't know the exact weight. I don't have a scale. It's roughly the weight of a Zippo lighter, roughly. Let's see if I can get mine out of my pocket here. Let's see, this versus this. They're about the same, so if you have a Zippo, it's about the same weight. About the same size, too. Or maybe a little bit longer. A little bit taller. Not much taller, though. So, overall, very good multi-tool. I don't know if it... I'll show you the... where it's kind of... Come on, adjust. There you go. Can I see where it was chipped there? Rubbed off paint there. But overall, it's not showing much wear. So, anyway, I would recommend this multi-tool if you're doing very small things. If you're doing big things like I was transitioned to, I would recommend some other things, which I might have done a review on it, but I will see. And it's currently part of my EDC, which I have to do an EDC video sometime too. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Let me know. Please let me know how I did. Please, if you have any suggestions of what else I need to tell in my reviews, what else I need to do to test them, just let me know. I would like that. That would be awesome. So, I'm always liking the comments. I like talking to you guys. It's a community. I'm not going to go on too much about that, but so thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. If it's on Christmas Day, hopefully you have a family to spend it with. Spend all the time that you can with them if you can stand them. Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care, guys.